Renka Shreya from Prathibha Tutorials. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta is equals to root of 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Cos theta is equals to root of 1 minus sin square theta. Secant square theta plus tan square theta is equals to 1. Secant square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Secant theta is equals to 1 plus root of 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta is equals to secant square theta minus 1. Tan theta is equals to root of secant square theta minus 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. Cosecant square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta. Cosecant theta is 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta is equals to secant square theta minus 1. Tan theta is equals to root of secant square theta minus 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. Cosecant square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta. Cosecant theta is equals to root of 1 plus cot square theta. Cot square theta is equals to cosecant square theta minus 1. Cot theta is equals to root of cosecant square theta minus 1.
I am Swati. I am from Prathibha Tutorials. Now I am going to say about trigonometry identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta is equal to root of 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Cos theta is equal to root of 1 minus sin square theta. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Secant theta is equal to root of 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. Tan theta is equal to root of secant square theta minus 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Cosecant theta is equal to root of 1 plus cot square theta. Cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Cot theta is equal to root of cosecant square theta minus 1.
Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta is equals to root of 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Cos theta is equal to root of 1 minus sin square theta. Secant square theta is equals to tan square theta is equals to 1. Secant square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Secant theta is equals to root of 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta is equals to secant square theta minus 1. Tan square theta is equals to root of secant square theta minus 1. Cosecant square theta is equal minus cot square theta is equals to 1. Cosecant square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta. Cosecant theta is equals to root of 1 plus cot square theta. Cot square theta is equals to cosecant square theta minus 1. Cot theta is equals to root of cosecant square theta minus 1.
Prathibha from Prathibha Tutorials. Now I am saying about the topic of trigonometry identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta is equal to root of 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Cos theta is equal to root of 1 minus sin square theta. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Secant square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Secant theta is equal to root of 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. Tan theta is equal to root of secant square theta minus 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. Cosecant square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta. Cosecant theta is equal to root of 1 plus cot square theta. Cos square theta is equals to cosecant square theta minus 1. Cot theta is equal to root of cosecant square theta minus 1.
Hi everyone, this is Rishita. I am from Prathibha Tutorials. Today I want to tell about trigonometry identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta is equal to 1 root of 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Cos theta is equal to root of 1 minus cos square theta. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Secant theta is equal to root of 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta is equals to secant square theta minus 1. Tan theta is equal to root of secant square theta minus 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Cosecant square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta. Cosecant square theta is equals to root of 1 plus cot square theta. Cot square theta is equals to cosecant square theta minus 1. Cot theta is equals to root of cosecant square theta minus 1.
Sin square theta plus cot square theta is equals to 1. Sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cot square theta. Sin theta is equals to root of 1 minus cot square theta. Cot square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Cos theta is equals to root of 1 minus sin square theta. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Secant square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Secant theta is equals to root of 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta is equals to secant square theta minus 1. Tan theta is equals to root of secant square theta minus 1. cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. Cosecant square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta. Cosecant theta is equals to root of 1 plus cot square theta. Cot square theta is equals to cosecant square theta minus 1. Cot theta is equals to root of cosecant square theta minus 1.
Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta is equals to root 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Cos theta is equals to root 1 minus sin square theta. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Secant square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Secant theta is equals to root 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta is equals to secant square theta minus 1. Tan theta is equals to root secant square theta minus 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. Cosecant square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta. Cosecant theta is equals to root 1 plus cot square theta. Cot square theta is equals to cosecant square theta minus 1. Cot theta is equals to root cosecant square theta minus 1.
Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta is equals to root 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Cos theta is equals to root 1 minus sin square theta. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Secant square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Secant theta is equals to root 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta is equals to secant square theta minus 1. Tan theta is equals to root secant square minus 1. Cosecant square theta minus cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. Cosecant square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta. Cosecant theta is equals to root 1 plus cot square theta. Cot square theta is equals to cosecant square minus 1. Cot theta is equals to root cosecant square minus 1.
Sin square theta plus cot square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta is equal to root of 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Cos theta is equal to root of 1 minus sin square theta. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Secant theta is equal to root of 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. Secant square tan square theta. Tan theta is equal to root of secant square theta minus 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Cosecant theta is equal to root of 1 plus cot square theta. Cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Cot theta is equal to root of cosecant square theta minus 1.
Hello everyone, my name is Prathibha. In the lesson trigonometry, I am telling about identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta is equals to root of 1 minus sin square theta. Cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Cos theta is equals to root of 1 minus sin square theta. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Secant square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Secant theta is equals to root of 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta is equals to secant square theta minus 1. Tan theta is equals to root of secant square theta minus 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. Cosecant square theta is equals to 1 plus cot.
My name is Prathibha from Prathibha Tutorial. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta is equal to root of 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Cos theta is equal to root of 1 minus sin square theta. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Secant theta is equal to root of 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. Tan theta is equal to root of secant square theta minus 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Cosecant theta is equal to root of 1 plus cos square theta. Cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Cot theta is equal to root of cosecant square theta minus 1.
ట్యుటోరియల్స్లో జాయిన్ అయ్యాను. నాకు నేను రీసెంట్గా 10th కంప్లీట్ చేసుకున్నాను. 10thలో నాకు 546 మార్క్స్ వచ్చాయి. దీనికి కారణం మా టీచర్స్, ప్లస్ మళ్ళీ మా మమ్మీ డాడీ ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్, ముఖ్యంగా మా సార్ ప్రతిభ ట్యుటోరియల్స్లో నుంచి మా వంక హర్బాబు సార్కి నేను ముఖ్యంగా థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పుకుంటున్నాను.